This is it. This is Rhode Island, Olneyville, New York Systems. Wieners, burgers, fries. We're on Reservoir Ave and we're at Olneyville, New York System. We're ready for some New York System hot dogs. And this is Mike Foster eating the street. Let's go on in. Can I get three? Can I get 3 dogs? Oh, where? Oh, we're here? Okay, let's do it up here. So
I don't mind the camera. You do whatever you want.
Well, let's do a close up of your face then. I want 3 New York System wieners.
All the way?
All the way, baby.
Cool.
You guys don't serve beer? Scott, see it. I got to see that.
You got 2 sweets and 12.
So I trust you, Jim. Did you do a good job on it?
Oh my God, he did a great job.
You guys will enjoy these.
Did we put the celery salt on?
Yes, sir.
They already did it, huh?
That was the final stage.
That was the final stage. Shot of the onions.
You guys are all...
Oh, wow, look at those, huh?
These are the wieners. These are the Gaggers. This is a New York Systems wiener. We just call them Gaggers in Rhode Island. Let's see what they taste like. Oh my God.
Oh, that's a 3. I want this the 2.
I taste the onion. I hear my mother. Got a little mustard. I don't know what this is. Some kind of beef thing. Meat sauce, and the dog is pretty good. The bun, soft as always. Mike eats the street. Gaggers from Olneyville, Rhode Island. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
This is what happens at the end. There's only one thing left. Here's my mother trying to eat one. Let's take a look at her. Take a bite, Mom. You remember the dinosaurs? She's a T-Rex. Well, she might be a Vasella